Hi there. Linked to this video is a link to a file that contains some sample materials that should all be compatible with a host of WebXR applications. So you can click on the link in the description and you'll get this GLB file here called Material Sampler, and it contains a mix of open source photo and some simple procedural materials that should work. So here we can just drag this right into the scene, assuming you're using Blender 4.2. And here's the option import glyph. You click to import glyph. And then you can see we have this little pile of cubes here. We're just going to immediately press X and delete all of them. We don't even need to see them because now if we go to the material settings, you can see we have a couple basic materials just ready to go. So I'm going to turn this floor here into concrete. We'll go into material view. There it is. Then we will turn this box into glass for VR. I'm going to do the same thing for the liquid inside it. Just to differentiate it a little bit, I'll click this number next to it to unlink it. And then maybe we'll change the color of the liquid inside a little bit. So this is just a really simple glossy material with a low alpha channel to make it semi-transparent. So not very realistic, but very compatible. So now here you can see we also have some wood in here. We've got some clean metal, which is just a simple metal blender setting, or scratchy metal, which has some roughness maps and stuff on it. And then maybe for the ends, we'll just turn this to rock. And there, that gives you a good sense of the range of materials that are included in this. So anyway, yeah, make stuff. Looking forward to seeing it.